Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: your Jamb profile, valid ID, and a purchased PIN. First, scratch and record the PIN. Do not share it. Once done, log into the official portal and enter your profile details exactly as on ID because mismatches cause delays. Make sure to select the correct service, registration or change of course, then proceed to the payment screen. This starts the process and moves you to the core steps. You now complete the detailed registration. Carefully fill personal data, next of kin, and pick subjects. Accuracy prevents later rejection. Next, upload a passport photo that meets size and format rules. Cropping or wrong format can cause rejection. Then choose an exam center that you can realistically reach on exam day, confirm subject choices, and thoroughly review every entry. Once reviewed, proceed to payment and print, or save the generated slip so you have proof. You finish by completing payment and immediately printing the slip or saving the PDF. Record your registration number where you can find it. Next, confirm the portal shows your scheduled exam date and time because you must arrive prepared. If something goes wrong, such as missing confirmation or submission errors, clear your browser cache and retry, or contact support with your registration number and screenshots. This helps them resolve issues faster and ensure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.